How to send a gift message on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Instagram application. Then go to the chat in which you want to send a gift message. Now, all you have to do is first type a message and then tap on this search bar. Now here you will see different options like this fire message, a message with heart, and this one is the gift message. Now in order to send the message with gift, select the gift one and it is sent. Now the person will have to tap on the gift box and it will open, and only then they will be able to see your message. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.